Hey guys, welcome back from Pixel Insane. Today another new release of a free material. Today is going to be this wood planks or floor or pavement, whatever you want to call it. So let's dig into it. Let's switch back to material preview so we can see how it works. Before I'll show you how the material works, let's see how can you download it for free. So let's jump into my website. Here we are on my website. What you need to do is to click up here on the menu free materials, and then you have to sign up with Facebook, with Google, or with your email, or if you are already a member of my website, just log in. Obviously I'm a member of my own website, so I'm going to log in with my email, and you will be redirected to this page of the free material downloads. And if you scroll down a little bit, you have the wood planks material. Click download it into your desktop, and obviously extract it. And we can go back to Blender, and we go to open, don't save, desktop, wood planks, and open the file. And this is what you're going to get in your scene. Simple as that. You can turn it around a little bit and see. We can just render it in the viewport itself, and it looks pretty cool. So let's dig into the material. What can we do with it? Just clicking it, and you will see there is a group with a lot of options. Also, right here we can change the number of tiles, which is pretty cool. Also, we can change the dark side a little bit, and super cool. Let's do 1.5, and then pressing tab, selecting the group node, we can dig into it. As you can see, there is a free slot for displacement using the brick texture. And yeah, we can just try and see. Yeah, so we can connect the color from the brick texture to the height of the displacement, and voila. Obviously we need to increase the subdivision, and the adaptive subdivision is on because I activated the experimental feature in Cycles. Also, what you can do, you have a bump map right here. We can see it and preview it. We can increase this one too. For example, I don't know, 0.5. And the color, obviously, we can change the color of the medium one right here. We can change it to whatever we want, something like that. You know, just feel free to use whatever you want. Of course, you are free to change all the parameters and the colors. And talking about pie menus, you can check my last video that I made with 5 shortcuts in Blender that are really super useful. So yeah, go and check that out. But let's apply this material to a plane. So I'm going to solid view, and then I'm going to shift A, add a plane, and I'm going to material and select the wood plank. I'm going into material preview, and here we have it. I'm going to press H and hide the sphere, and then I'm going to render and see what it looks like. Obviously there is no displacement because we need to add a subdivision surface with adaptive subdivision on, and there we go. Let's add a little bit more details. Obviously this is way too high, but you can go back into the shading tab and go to the displacement and reduce it quite a bit. Let's do 0.015. Let's go back to layout, and let's see. As usual, if you found this video useful, please do drop a like and a comment. It will be so much appreciated. And make sure you check my last animation recreating the landing scene from No Way Home with the Spider-Man. It looks amazing. I mean, it took me a little bit, but oh my gosh, I'm really happy about it. So please do check that out. And that's it for this video. And as usual, I'll catch you in the next one.